get ready for a life-changing opportunity. Today, One Finance with Zishan, we're giving you the keys to a treasure trove of knowledge, and guess what? It's all free. Hey there, knowledge seekers and future trailblazers. I'm Zishan, and I'm about to share something that could transform your life. Have you ever dreamed of gaining new skills, conquering new horizons, or perhaps even changing your career? Well, today's your lucky day. We've gathered a treasure trove of courses on affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA audiobooks for success, copywriting skills, cryptocurrency, dropshipping, and even an exclusive, sought-after course by Iman Gadzi, all for free. This isn't just about learning. It's about transformation, empowerment, and seizing your dreams. Imagine the possibilities when you equip yourself with these skills. You'll have the tools to take control of your destiny in today's dynamic world. Here is how you can get the course for free. Check out the description of this video. You will get link. Follow the link. It will get you to my Instagram handle. Follow me there and DM me for course. That's it. And also I need a favor from you, just to subscribe to this channel and share this video to your beloved friends and family members so they can also get benefit from this. So, without further ado, let's dive into this treasure trove of knowledge. Buckle up, because your journey to success begins right here.